Buddy, my name is Innocent Madanire from Zimbabwe, and I'm here with a project in recycling of waste material using synthetic biology. So we are using synthetic biology to convert polyethylene and all other plastics like styrene into polyhydroxybutyrate, which is also known as PHB. So our main intention here is to clean up our cities so that we can help the local councils to deal with waste material. So what we have today is an issue of waste management, so that we can collect the refuse and process it into less toxic substances, which we can use to produce more economic substances. Using synthetic biology is a more eco and bio-friendly approach when we are dealing with waste in our environment. So what we had to do when we started our startup was to make sure that we have employed enough substances, instruments, so that we can collect the refuse and turn them into the less toxic substances. We recruited 11 young people who are walking around collecting the baggage. But on top of that, we have coupled our systems with the deployment of bins around the cities, which have got trackers. The trackers are responsible for telling us when the bins are full and also telling us the amount of the plastics which are into the bins. So what we are doing now is to act on the refuse which is outside there and make sure that we deal or act on it accordingly. On top of that, we have realized that our contribution to the environment is very vital as we are helping the local council to bring up a more economic environment, bio-friendly and eco-friendly. The results as they show are that we are reducing health challenges in the community by more than 60%. And the process of converting plastics into PHB involves the usage of Escherichia coli as the enzyme. Escherichia coli acts on plastics and turn it into PHB. PHB is more biodegradable and it can be turned into substances like fertilizers, which can be used in agriculture, as well as blankets, which can be used in the textile industry. More to that, we know that the PHB is more easier to deal with and can be turned again into it can be worked on by natural enzymes or microbes. So our initiative in Zimbabwe is to work on waste so that we can reduce health challenges, reduce land pollution together with air pollution. The cities have been congested with plastics, and we need such a system, we need such an approach which includes synthetic biology. So in this regard, an element of synthetic biology is employing of the enzyme Escherichia coli, which turns plastic or polyethylene into polyhydroxybutyrate, which is PHB. PHB is less toxic and can be turned into more rewarding materials. Thank you so much.